Hey guys, it's your girl Heidi Lou. Welcome back. I hope you enjoyed last week's episode. This week we are working on stabilizing our core, and we're doing that with no other than the stability ball. Yes, we are bringing back the stability ball because it is so important to have a stable core, a stable, strong foundation. So all of these exercises today are for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, because everyone needs a stable foundation. All of the exercises today are relatively simple, so I'm asking you to do one thing throughout all of these exercises, and that is brace your core. So consciously think about contracting those stomach muscles, contracting that six pack, those obliques, those lower abs during each of these exercises, and you will have an amazing workout. You guys, we're going to work for 35 seconds and rest for 15. So come on, let's get to it. Up first is hip circles clockwise. Here we go. We want to do this in a slow motion to work all of those smaller intrinsic core muscles. Okay, now we are reversing the direction and going counterclockwise. Remember, we are bracing our core through each rotation. Great work. Rest break. During the rest breaks, take deep breaths. You're practicing really bracing your core, bearing down to tighten that core up. Great work. Up next is the seated march. For the seated march, you are bringing one knee up at a time toward your chest while keeping your balance on the ball and bracing your core. Rest break in 5. During this rest break, we are going to position ourselves so we are resting our lower back on the ball. So we will be ready for the next exercise, side bend, starting in just 3 seconds. For the side bends, we are just lifting our upper back slightly off the ball and bending to our right and left side. Great work. Rest break in 5. Awesome job. Just stretch it out, and we are going to start in just 5 seconds with the extended arm crunch. For this, you're going to have your arms straight and crunch all the way up. Great job. With the stability ball, you get extra range of motion, which is great for your core. Great work, guys. Stick with it, just 12 seconds left. Up next is the round 2 rest break. So use this time to catch your breath, get a drink, because the next round starts up in just 9 seconds. We are starting off with hip circles, counterclockwise. Reverse. We're going clockwise now. Great work. Time for a rest break. Remember, we are practicing bracing and activating our core through all of these exercises. Super proud of you. Up next is the seated march. Just 15 seconds left. You're doing amazing. Rest break. Let's get into our other position with our low back on the ball, and we will start in just 5 with the side bends. Keep breathing, keep bracing that core. Just 15 seconds left. You got this. This is the last rest break in 2, 1. The final exercise, extended arm crunch, starts in 2, 1. Let's go! The final 8 seconds, keep pushing. You are doing amazing. Great work. 2, 1. Woo! Awesome job, guys. That was incredible. I'm super proud of you. Remember that I'm on this fitness journey with you. So don't forget to like, comment, share with your friends, but most of all, subscribe. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.